Hi, in this video I will unpack and introduce the SONY ICF-506 FM radio. The box of the device shows some of the most important features. When you open the box, you can see the power cord. Underneath it is the device itself, as well as some instructions and warnings. The power cord is of good quality, but a bit stiff. The device comes in a bag. It is clearly made of quality materials, the joints are in order, and it is aesthetically quite appropriate. The dial is also properly visible. The mode selector button is located at the bottom, and on the right side are the radio station search and the volume control. Below these, there is also a jack connector. Opposite this, we find the power connector. The battery compartment on the back of the device can be easily opened and does not fall out of place. 3 AA batteries are required to operate it. The antenna is foldable and telescopic. There are 2 LEDs on the dial. One indicates operation, and the other indicates the station found. Here is a very short sound test. Overall, I am satisfied with the build quality and sound of the product. It is very easy to find radio stations with it.